Hey YouTube, welcome back to another video of Father and Son Sports Cards. Today I'm here on the Disney Magic.
And we can never forget everyone's favorite. Now let's hear it for Mickey.
And we are currently at sea today, heading back to New Orleans. This has been a wonderful trip, a lot of fun for my family and I. Just wanted to share the view with you guys. It is absolutely a beautiful day. But as nice as the view is, I want to see if we can rip open some 2023 Topps Series 1 baseball cards, jumbo box specifically. Got this in the mail about a week ago, and I wanted to save it and open it up on the cruise ship. So let's go ahead and rip it open and see if we can find some hits. All right, as I said, I have here a jumbo hobby box of 2023 Topps Baseball Series 1. So let's rip it open and see what we get. I was hoping to have Jack here to do this with me, but he's just having too much fun playing in the pool, the water slide. Jack! All that kind of stuff. And since today is our last day at sea, I want to make sure that he gets to enjoy all that he can before he goes back to school. So for today, you get me. I'm not really sure how this is supposed to go.
I need help!
But for now, we'll go with that. Oh well. Alright, so for our box topper, we have Rafael Devers. Silver packs. Alright, since it's windy, we're going to take it one pack at a time. Alright, right off the bat, Steele Walker rookie card, Tim Anderson, Ji-Man Choi, Hunter Brown rookie card, the Astros, Brandon Drury, Nathaniel Lowe, Giovanni Gallegos, Miguel Vargas rookie card with the Dodgers, Anthony Santander, jacked up Paul Sewell, Nolan Jones rookie card with the Cleveland Guardians, Ketel Marte, Ke'Bryan Hayes, Davis Martin rookie card, White Sox, Tyler Wells, Robbie Ray, Michael Massey, Zach Davies, Ha-Sung Kim, Graham Ashcraft, rookie for the Cincinnati Reds, Mookie. Alright, we have here, got a Yachty, rainbow foil, Yachty Molina. Okay, and we have our first gold, Tyler McGill, out of 2023, Tyler McGill, the Mets. Got a 1-2 punch, Joe Musgrove and Hugh Darvish. All right, and our 1988 style is Jacob deGrom, now with the Texas Rangers. David Villar, rookie card for the Giants. Liam Hendricks, Jeffrey Springs, Cal Quantrill, Yadiel Hernandez, Gregory Soto, Vladimir Gutierrez, Caleb Killian. We got our horizontals. Dodgers, Nationals, AL wins leaders, Judgment Day, Aaron Judge's walk-off, Luis Arraez, Josh Donaldson, Isaiah Kiner, Josh Winkowski, rookie card, Red Sox, Seth Beer, JT Brubaker, Brandon Hughes, rookie card for the Cubbies, Ronald Acuna Jr., and lastly for this pack, Blake Snell. All right, just a little bit to the side. All right, we got our next pack. Julio Urias, Marco Gonzalez, Keston Hiura, George Kirby, Future Stars, Garrett Cole. Ethan Small, rookie card, Brewers, Christian Pache, former Brave, Bo Brisk, Gabriel Moreno, rookie card, Blue Jays. All right, we got a nice Soto, Juan Soto. Right after Bryce Harper, very nice. Rookie card, Jejar Encarnacion, Marlins. Ian Anderson, looking for a comeback this year. Hopefully he'll make the starting five. Camilo Duvall, Evan Lee, rookie card, Nationals. Raisel Iglesias, believe he's going to be the new closer for the Braves this year. He earned it. Great season last year after being traded from the Angels. Michael Chavis, rookie card, Michael Grove. Andy Trout's a good Trout. All right, nice. Alec Bohm. And we have here Tyler Stevenson's going to be another foil. And we got a gold Mike Yastrzemski. One-two punch. Corbin Burns, Brandon Woodruff. And our 1988 is Brian Bello, rookie card, Red Sox. Reigning National League MVP, Paul Goldschmidt. Gunnar Henderson, one of the top rookies this year. Very nice. Dean Kremer. Julio. Ooh. Let's not lose Julio in the wind. Julio, Rookie Cup. Reigning American League Rookie of the Year. Very nice. Eli Morgan. Gavin Lux. Baltimore Orioles. Jazz Chisholm, always with a good picture on his card, sliding into home. C.J. Abrams, future stars, now with the Nationals. Ryan McMahon. AL ERA leaders. Red Sox. Marcus Wilson, rookie card. Tanner Scott. Jose Ramirez. Sonny Gray. Johan Duran. Max Kepler. AJ Minter. Texas A&M Aggie. AJ Minter. Jorge Alfaro. Mitch Haniger. And rookie card of the Athletics, David McKinnon. All right, that's pack number 2. All right, moving on to pack number 3. Here on this channel, we go through all the cards. We're not gonna fly through them. Spent a lot of money on these cards. We wanna enjoy them. If you wanna see people skip over cards, go see the Breakers. Here, I like to enjoy these cards. Rookie card, Pittsburgh Pirates, Travis Swaggerty. What a name.
That's the coolest name I've ever heard.
Randall Grichuk. Luis Garcia. Albert Almora. Vladdy Guerrero Jr. Joey Votto. Brad Miller. Rookie card, Royals, Max Castillo. Patrick Wisdom. Yachty. Always dropping.
Sorry, I did it again. My bad.
Here we go. Rookie card, J.J. Bleday. Marlins. Kendall Graveman. Corey Seager. Rookie card, Vinny Pasquantino. Rookie Cup 2. Jonathan Daza. Eric Feed. Jose Altuve. It's a nice one. I might give that one to my nephew Blaine. Antonio Senzatella. That's an excited Scott Barlow. Corey Nebel. Alright, we have here a silver foil. Dylan Cease, White Sox. And we have our autograph. We've got rookie card, Connor Capel.
Whoa.
Okay. Alright. Rookie card for the Cardinals, Connor Capel. Nice signature. Here we go. We got our first ace. And a hell of an ace it is. Max Scherzer. I love these inserts. Very well done. Alright. And right behind him, another Mets for the 1988, Francisco Lindor. Alright. Dominic Leon. Matt Duffy. Bryson Stott, Future Stars. Starling Marte. Nolan Gorman, rookie card. Gleyber Torres. Oscar Gonzalez, rookie card. Guardians. Owen Miller. Danny Jimenez. National League average leaders. Got the Phillies, Rhys Hoskins. Kenley Jansen, good luck in Boston. Yusei Kikuchi, D-backs, Angels, Marcell Ozuna, looking for a comeback. Stay out of trouble. Have a good year. Taylor Rogers, Kyle Stowers, rookie card, Orioles. Taylor Ward, Kyle Gibson, Brayan Bello, rookie card. And last one, Keegan Thompson. All right, that's pack number 3. All right, let's go ahead and sleeve up Connor. Protect him here out in the open seas. All right, Connor Capel. All right, pack number 4. All right, we start off with an Aaron Nola from LSU. I like that. Corey Lee, rookie card of the Astros. Max Fried, Cy Young runner-up for the National League. Carlos Rondon, rookie card of the Rangers. Ezekiel Duran. Ryan Mountcastle. Got another Yaz, Mike Yastrzemski. Ah, come on, flipping me, Tops. Like, this isn't difficult enough without the cards blown away. All right, rookie card of the Cardinals, Matthew Liberatore. Corbin Burns. Josiah Gray, Future Stars. Dylan Cease. Shane McClanahan. Ian Happ. Tarek Skubal. Michael Givens. Sorry, got a lot going on right now. Gavin Sheets. Manuel Amargo. Not bad, Rook. Miguel Cabrera and Riley Green. Marcus Stroman. All right, we've got a farewell future Hall of Famer, Albert Pujols. Cade Cavalli, rookie card of the Nationals. All right, we got Josiah Gray, Future Stars foil, Nationals. All right, here we go. 2022 greatest hits, Bobby Witt Jr. Not bad. I like that one. All right. His farewell season, Miggy Cabrera in 1988 style. Very nice. Wish him the best of luck in his final year. Future Hall of Famer, William Contreras. Good luck in Milwaukee. Brandon Crawford. Jonathan Aranda, rookie card of the Rays. Josh Rojas. All right, let's flip them. Hugh Darvish, big contract. Mark Apple, rookie card of Phillies, finally making it to the majors after 10 plus years in the minors. That's commitment. Max Stassi. Danny Burgers. Cardinals. NL RBI leaders. Guardians. Mark Canha. Kyle Hendricks. Ozzie Albies. Jesse Winker. Harold Castro. Jordan Lyles. Salvador Perez. Tyrone Taylor. Trevor Rogers. Sam Mole. And Jordan Montgomery. All right. That's pack number 4. I hope you guys are enjoying the video. I'm enjoying the view, and I hope you guys are too. It's a lot easier to sit behind a desk and rip open some cards. I'm a little nervous right now. I hope I don't lose any cards overboard in the wind, but you'll be sure to see them here if it does happen. Fingers crossed. All right, pack number 5. Okay, we got Ezekiel Duran again. Ryan Mountcastle. We got another Mike Yastrzemski. Steele Walker, rookie card. Tim Anderson. Starting to see some repeats. Chi-Man Choi. Hunter Brown, rookie card. When you get 400 and something cards, you're bound to get some repeats. Ian Happ. Giovanni Gallegos. Miguel Varga, rookie card of the Dodgers. Anthony Santander. Paul Sewell. Nolan Jones, rookie card. Guardians, Ketel Marte. Cade Cavalli. Tyler Wells. Robbie Ray. Michael Massey, rookie card. Zach Davies. Zach Davies. Ha-Sung Kim. Graham Ashcraft, rookie card. Mookie again. Alright, what do we have here? We've got numbered? No, just a foil. Just a gold foil of Tyrone Taylor. Nice catch at the wall. Alright, 1-2 punch. Robbie Ray and Luis Castillo. Hey, there's a good one. The late, great Tony Gwynn, Hall of Famer, 1988. I like that. 3,000 plus hits in his career. David Villar, rookie. Liam Hendricks. Jeffrey Springs. Cal Quantrill. Yadiel Hernandez. Gregory Soto. Vladimir Gutierrez. Yordan Alvarez. Dodgers. Nationals. AL wins leaders. Judge again. Luis Reyes. Josh Donaldson. JT Brubaker. Brandon Hughes. Rookie card. Ronald again. Blake Snell. Lennon Sosa. Rookie card. White Sox. Miggy Cabrera. And Kyle Bradish to finish off the 5th pack. All right, we're gonna keep going. Pack number 6. Let's get something good here. Luis Robert. Kevin Kiermaier. Former Brave prospect, Shea Langeliers, rookie card, very nice. Cedric Mullins. Alex Wood, lefty. Jonah Bride, rookie card, Athletics. Got a singled flipped card. Have it. Come on. Pavin Smith. Tristan McKenzie. Jordan Romano. Ryan Presley. Eduardo Rodriguez. Garrett Cooper. Jaron Duran, Future Stars. Nestor Cortez. Cody Clemens, son of Roger Clemens. Rookie card. John Birdie. Future Stars, Hunter Green. Tops, why are we doing this with the cards, man?
Why?
A little quality control. Can we just keep them all the same? Eric Lauer. Brandon Marsh, Future Stars. Max Scherzer. Cal Mitchell, rookie card, Pirates. All right, what do we have here? JJ Bleday with the gold foil. Nice, rookie card of the Marlins. I believe he just got traded to Blue Jays, maybe? We got Nolan Gorman. Oh, that's a very nice one. 1988 style rookie card, Nolan Gorman. That's a good one. I like that. There we go. 30-30. Larry Walker. Hall of Famer. Whoa, we got two 1988s in this one?
Nice.
Hall of Famer Mike Schmidt. Sweet. All right. I don't know if that was a mistake or just a good pack, I guess. Santiago Espinal. Tyler Stevenson. Martin Perez. Seiya Suzuki. Steven Matz. Nick Prato. Rookie card Royals. William Contreras. National League wins leaders. Kyle Wright leading with 21. Only pitcher in the majors to reach 20 wins. Teoscar Hernandez. Ronnie Garcia. Nick Pivetta. Rafael Devers. Oh, and we're dropping. Let's try that again. All right. Joe Barlow. Guardians. Ryan Helsley. Oswald Peraza rookie card, the Yankees. Harold Castro. Jordan Lyles. Salvador Perez. Tyrone Taylor. And Trevor Rogers. All right, that's pack number 6. All right, this is pack number 7. All right, lucky number 7. Gotta put the trash in my pocket so it doesn't blow away. CJ Cron. Keibert Ruiz. Luis Garcia. Noah Syndergaard. Finally cut his hair. Jack Sawinski. Christian Yelich. Rhys Hoskins. Jeter Downs. Rookie card Red Sox. Tyler Mahle. John Gray. JT Realmuto. Rookie card Zach Thompson. KB Chris Bryant. Tanner Rainey. Bobby Witt with the Rookie Cup. Aaron Ashby. We have a AJ Minter silver foil. All right, that one's for me. Personal collection, very nice. And we have Steven Matz, numbered out of 499. Whoa, we have Ice Ice Baby. We got Green Ice. Steven Matz out of 499. Very nice. That's a hit. And there is our, what is this? The retail relic. Christopher Morel. What do you guys think of this? What do you think of this relic style they have for this year? I don't hate it. I don't love it. I mean, the Cubbies one is kind of cool, but you know, what do you guys think of it? Hey, I like this. This one I love. Randy Johnson, Aces. That is an ace. There we go. 1988 Bryce Harper. Like that one. Got some hits in this pack. Yordan Alvarez. Tony Gosselin. Freddie. Abraham Toro. Willie Adames. Future Stars O'Neal Cruz. Trevor Story, telling bedtime story. Jimmy Herget. Mets. We got Bobby Witt in the Royals. AL RBI leaders. Oh, we got the, what is this, the Twinkies? Yeah, it's the Twinkies, the Twins. Polar Bear, Peter Alonso, Bro Time. Flip these around. Lennon Sosa, rookie card. Miggy Cabrera, farewell. Kyle Bradish. Brady Singer, Florida Gator. And Seth Lugo. All right, not bad. Not bad of a pack. We got a Steven Matz out of $4.99. We got our retail relic and Randy Johnson aces. All right, this is pack number 8. So we got our auto, got our retail relic. Should have one more relic in here in these last 3 packs. Still looking for a Michael Harris II, a Vaughn Grissom, not Grisham as some of them have been saying, Vaughn Grissom, and actually I'd also like to get a LSU's Josh Smith. Looking for that one as well for the Rangers. Jermaine Palacios, Merrill Kelly, Fernando Tatis. What we have here? Derek Hall, rookie card Phillies. Matt Strom, Tommy Edman, Luis Urias. All right, we're flipping again. We got second year Future Stars Wander Franco. Nice. Clayton Kershaw. Razorbacks, Arkansas Razorbacks, Andrew Benintendi, Pig Sooie, Christian Javier, Tommy Pham, Jeremy Marquez, Brad Keller, Roberto Perez, Adrian Hauser, Future Stars Cal Raleigh, Tyler McGill, upside down, and we got a Riley Green rookie card. It's nice. Detroit Tigers. New Atlanta Braves catcher Sean Murphy. Looking forward to watching him play. Leover Figueroa rookie card. All right, what do we have here? Salvador Perez, gold foil. Salvador Perez, very nice, vet. All right, we got home field advantage. Another Nolan Gorman, home field advantage. That is sweet. St. Louis, all right, I like that. We got here Ronald Acuna Jr. for the 30-30 club. Sweet. Oh, man.
Very nice.
Ichiro Suzuki, 1988 style. That is awesome. I love it. Love it. All right. Florida Gators. Polar Bear. Pete Alonso. There we go. Adley Rushman. Rookie card. Catcher for the Orioles. As well as a rookie cup. All right. AL home runs leader. Aaron Judge. Seth Brown. Buddy Kennedy. Stephen Kwan, rookie cup. Danny Jansen. Kyle Farmer. There we go. See, we talk about it and it happens. Michael Harris, rookie card. Love it. Kind of don't wish it was a horizontal though. Really wish it was a vertical, but you know, hey, I don't do the designs. I just wanted to get one. Josh Stomont. Cubbies. Rangers. Dodgers. Mariners with the Julio. Jesus Sanchez. Jacob deGrom, good luck in Texas. Cody Bellinger. Alex Cobb. Josh Naylor. Matt Chapman. And Austin Meadows. All right, not bad. Heck, we got Ichiro, 1988. Got our Michael Harris rookie card. All right, Ninth pack. We only got 2 left. Alright, I don't see a relic in this one, so it might be in the last pack. Let's see what we get here. Still looking for Josh Smith and Vaughn Grissom. Jake Cronenworth. Brian Servin, rookie card Rockies. Here we go. Shohei. Alright, we got Aaron Nola again. Gonna have a repeat, at least it's Aaron. Corey Lee, rookie card. Max Fried again. Carlos Rodon. Got Carlos Carrasco. Matthew Liberatore, rookie card. Corbin Burns. Future stars are Josiah Gray. Dylan Cease. Shane McClanahan. Tariq Skubal. Michael Givens. Gavin Sheets. Manuel Margot. Miguel, this is the Miguel Cabrera and I think Riley Green. Marcus Stroman. What we got here? We got Albert Pujols again. Future Hall of Famer. We have here Jorge Alfaro. That's gonna be silver foil. Jorge Alfaro. And we got alright, it's our Topps Home Run Challenge. Austin Riley. Alright, we got a gold. Whoops, sorry guys. We got our gold 2023 Starling Marte. And any trout's a good trout. 2022 greatest hits, Mike Trout. Oh man, I like this. Hall of Famer is Say Hey Willie Mays. Brandon Crawford. Jonathan Aranda, rookie card, the Rays. Josh Rojas. Let's flip it. Hugh Darvish. Mark Apple. Max Stassi. Danny Burgers. Cardinals. RBI leaders. Guardians. Mark Canha. Kyle Hendricks. Ozzie Albies. Jesse Winker. Caleb Killian. Sam Moll. Jordan Montgomery. There we go. We got the LSU boy. Josh Smith, rookie card. Looking good in that blue Rangers jersey, man. Very nice. Isaiah Kiner. Josh Winkowski. And Beer. Seth Beer. Alright, we have our 10th and final pack for the Jumbo Hobby Box. If you're still with us, I thank you for following along and supporting the channel. Alright, we got our relic in here, so quality control is decent. Promised 2 relics and an auto. We got our auto and the retail relic, so let's see what our last one is. Alright, Brett Beatty, rookie card of the Mets. Lucas Giolito. Brandon Lowe. Brendan Rodgers. Cesar Hernandez. Chas McCormick. Emmanuel Clace. Patrick Sandoval. Shane Bieber. LSU's Kevin Gausman. Sandy Alcantara, National League Cy Young. Eduardo Escobar. Christopher Morel, rookie card Cubbies. Paul Blackburn. Yasmani Grandal. Yandy Diaz. Alright, we got Toronto Celebration. Alex Verdugo. Tyler O'Neill. There we go. Alright. We hit it. Vaughn Grissom, rookie card. Alright, we got all the ones I wanted. Michael Harris, Josh Smith, Adley Rushman, and Vaughn Grissom. Alright. Jorge Mateo. Alright, what do we have here? We got Robbie Ray with the silver foil. Looks good. Robbie Ray. And we have here... Oh, okay, it's numbered. 2023 Tyler Ward. Gold. And... what? Man, we got the Killer Bee Craig Biggio relic card. I like that. Grew up watching the Astros and the Killer Bees. Bagwell, Biggio, Bell, and Berkman. That's a good one, man. I like it. And we have a 2022 Greatest Hits Farewell Tour for Albert Pujols. Oh, man. I'm loving this box even more.
You like that? You like that?
I love it. Michael Harris II, rookie card on a 1988 style. I love this. I'm loving it, man. This is awesome. Jonah Heim, Frank Schwindel, Adam Wainwright, should be a future Hall of Famer. Tristan Casa, rookie card, Red Sox. Man, I'm excited about that Michael Harris. Ivan Herrera, rookie card. Frankie Cordero. Darren Ruff. Braves going for 6 straight division titles this year. American League home run leaders. Zach Thompson. Blue Jays. AL average leaders. Christian Vasquez. Dylan Bundy. Alright, we got our last 4 cards. Gary Sanchez. Trevor Larnach. Trent Grisham. And Byron Buxton. Alright, let's go ahead and bag and tag Mr. Biggio. That's our nice relic, the 1988 style. All right, next we're gonna bag and tag Vaughn Grissom. Very nice. And lastly, bag and tag Michael Harris in the 1988. Even had this nice rookie card top loader for it. And that looks beautiful on the open seas, guys. Let's get some thumbs up in this video for Michael Harris 1988 rookie card. I love it. It's vertical, looks good. All right, last but not least, we have our 2 silver packs. So let's go ahead and do our first one, see what we get. Silver pack number 1. All right, we got a Bo Jackson. Hey, Bo knows, everybody, Bo knows. I don't believe these are numbered, but they still look good. The Wizard, Ozzie Smith, Hall of Famer. We got a Bo Bichette. Very nice. And we got a Nick Prado rookie card for the Royals out of our first silver pack. Not bad. Love that Bo Jackson. All right. Last one of the video. Silver pack number 2. Sorry guys, I got trash falling out of my pockets. Alright, Christopher Morel, rookie card. We got a Brian Bello, rookie card for the Red Sox. Got Corey Lee on the Astros rookie card. And lastly, Bubba Thompson. Rookie card. 4 rookie cards in that one. Very nice. Alright, pick a game. Okay. Everybody, I really hope you enjoyed that one. I definitely did. That was a lot of cards, 400 plus. If you stayed through it the entire time, I greatly appreciate it, and I hope you enjoyed watching me go through those cards and find some hits. I'm happy with the box. That was a lot of fun. If they were cheaper and more available, I'd probably do another one, but the prices just skyrocketed since Topps lowered the number of jumbo boxes produced. So it is what it is, but I should be having some hanger boxes coming on the channel soon. And yeah, I'm looking forward to it, guys. So thank you to everybody for watching. I hope you all have a great day and take care, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, everybody.